It's always you. This heart says you're my life. You're the moon, you're the star. Without you, the world feels dark afar. I know without you, I'm incomplete. Without you, this world feels obsolete. The moments spent with you are waves etched in my heartbeat too. When our eyes speak in silence, this heart loses itself in your essence. You're the moon, you're the star. Without you, the world feels dark afar. I know without you, I'm incomplete. Without you, this world feels obsolete. The moments spent with you are waves etched in my heartbeat too. When our eyes speak in silence, this heart loses itself in your essence. Ooh, you're the moon, you're the star. Without you, the world feels dark afar. I know without you, I'm incomplete. Without you, this world feels obsolete. Without you, this world feels so dull. Your laughter sings life's sweetest lull. You're my dream, my path, so without you, I have no clue of me. You're my dream, you're my breath. Without you, love feels bereft. Every dawn feels dark and hollow. For you, I'd sacrifice today and tomorrow.